Nene ya kurugiria mitaratara wa kurigiriria ikuu iria ciumanaga na andu kwiruta muoyo thina uria kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini ugumiire mbeu njithi a gatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 15 na 19. Uthuthuria wonanitie mwaka wa 2018 akenya matanyihiire 421 nimerutire muoyo. Murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ndagitari Patrick akiuga ni magathikite mitaratara ya kuhurana na thina uyu.
Globally, as we saw today, more than 700,000 people die by suicide every year. That's one person every 40 seconds. 77% of these deaths occur in low and middle income countries.
And if you extrapolate to our current population of nearly 50 million, that works out to about 5,000 lives lost. However, there is scarcity of data on suicide in Kenya as a result of underreporting.
Kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, imwe cia itumi iria ikoretwo igicungiriria thina uyu ni hamwe na mbara cia kimucii, muthutukanio, mirimu ya meciria, mundu kuigua rimutiganirie gatagati ka mangi. Ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi rukiuga uyu ni thina ubatie kumurikwo.
The Mental Health Task Force also recommended directly that suicide attempt should be decriminalized. And then comes the national mental health prevention strategy that we are launching today, which then means that we are moving away from punishment and employing scientifically proven strategies to prevent suicide.
Imwe ya mitaratara iria itanyitwo kurutithio wira niguo kunyihanyihia thina uyu ni hamwe na guthomithia muingi njira itiganite cia kwirigiriria meciria maingi, kuruguria mubango wa kuheana motaro kuri arutwo thukuru-ini akenya, kurio metikire guthurimagwo thina uyu mahinda kwa mahinda niguo kamenyeka tene mbere ya wihiriirie, hamwe na kugacirithia ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri.
This document that we are launching today on suicide prevention strategy will be, as the Sharif Nasir used to say, mpende, msipende, it will come into being. About that, I have wrote down.
Hamwe noguo ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite matanya mayo ni gutigirira gugikinyiria mwaka wa 2026 thina wa andu kwiruta muoyo ni wacoka thi na gicunji gia 10%. Ndeto iria ingikinyanira akenya hamwe na honge itiganite itari cia githirikari ingitikira kunyitanira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.